Is your Lexus ES 350 key fob not working? Let's troubleshoot. First, the most common issue is a dead battery. The ES 350 key fob uses a CR 2032 battery. Replace it by carefully prying open the fob, swapping the battery positive side up, and snapping it shut. Use quality batteries to avoid corrosion. If a new battery doesn't fix it, try a smart access reset. Get within 3 feet of the start button, press it while holding the brake. For older models with a key slot, try cycling the ignition. This clears any glitches from signal interference. Remember, key fobs operate on radio frequencies, so external factors can cause temporary issues. Ensure the fob is within 10 to 20 feet of the car. If battery replacement and smart access reset don't solve the problem, the issue might be with the car's antenna system. The antenna receives signals from your key fob and is typically located in the driver's door or under the dashboard. Common problems include damaged wiring or corrosion, which can interfere with signal reception. This buildup of residue around antenna components can prevent proper communication. You can test antenna functionality using a multimeter to check wiring continuity or through the Lexus Diagnostic app. However, repairs typically require professional service due to the complexity of the system. Replacing the antenna module at a Lexus dealership can cost between $200 and $400, depending on the model year and labor involved. Looking ahead, Lexus is transitioning to digital key technology through smartphone applications. Newer ES 350 models now support this feature, eliminating the need for physical key fobs and their associated battery and antenna issues. For older ES 350 models, contact your local Lexus dealer to check if digital key integration can be retrofitted, providing a more reliable and convenient access solution.